Hello guys, this is Naeem Aslam, just coming live to give you a little bit of an update about the market, what exactly is going on in the market. So my name is Naeem Aslam, I work as a Chief Market Analyst for AvaTrade. Bit of a disclaimer, anything which we'll be discussing in this particular video cannot be perceived as an advice. If you are seeking for one, please do consider consulting with your own advisor. The full disclaimer is on our website. Now, what we're seeing in the markets is the European markets are extending their gains. The NASDAQ, the CAC, the DAX, the FTSE MIB, the Stock 600, Stock 50, all of them are trading to the upside, which is pretty positive. But one always asks this question that, look, why the market has changed its momentum to the upside, given the fact that, yesterday we saw this downward move, and now why the market is moving to the upside. And the reason for that is very simple, because investors and traders are very much focused on this particular element that, there's a US stimulus is going to come, and that US stimulus is really going to prop up the markets higher. And because of that, we're seeing this particular momentum to the upside, and that's the primary reason behind this current move. So in terms of economic numbers, what we really focus on today, so today is Thursday, and that means US jobless claims number, and also the US ISM manufacturing PMI data. And folks, tomorrow we have the US jobs data. So for these two numbers are going to be the best and the last final numbers before we receive the US NFP data. So it is very important to keep an eye on these ones, because they're really going to shape up the market and the momentum going from here onwards. In terms of a gold price, what we're seeing is the momentum to the upside. Gold prices are propping up to the level which we haven't seen in a long time, and I'm speaking of the 1900 price level. And as long as the price stays above the 1900 mark, the chances are that we will continue the momentum to the upside in the in the longer term. But if price falls below that 100-day moving average on the daily time frame, then it is very likely for the prices to move from here. So overall, to summarize, keep an eye on the US jobless claims data, keep an eye on the US manufacturing PMI number, and make sure that you are aware that tomorrow is the US non-farm payroll data is coming. Investors and traders are very much focused on the stimulus, and the hope is that we'll get another stimulus package. That's all for today. See you guys next time.